Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're asked what are the solutions to 3x squared plus 12x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, we could try and factor this, but if you look at all the equations, we've got square roots, and it looks like we're going to have to do the quadratic equation. But before we do that, we have to notice something. All of these terms are divisible by 3 and will give us whole coefficients. So we divide every term by 3 on both sides, although dividing 0 by 3 obviously keeps it as 0. We have a new equation where we have 3 divided by 3 is 1x squared, so just x squared, plus 12 over 3 is 4x, plus 6 over 3 is plus 2, and that's equal to 0 over 3 is still, again, 0, but it's still good to remember that you're dividing both sides by 3. And now these are smaller numbers, so it's going to be slightly easier to do the quadratic equation, where we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, just to remember where our coefficients are coming from. We have the quadratic formula. We have x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So in this equation, we have ax squared is x squared, so therefore a is 1, bx is 4x, so b is 4, and we have c in 2, so c is equal to 2. So calculating this, we have negative b, so that's going to be negative 4, plus or minus b squared is going to be 4 squared, so 16, minus 4, a is 1, so 4 times 1, don't even really have to write the 1, times c is times 2, over 2a would be 2 times 1, so just 2, and this is equal to negative 4, plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 2 is 8, we have 16 minus 8 is 8. So we have negative 4 plus the square root of 8 over 2. This is negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 8 is equal to 4 times 2. So therefore, keeping everything else the same, we have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. When you have two things multiplied by each other under a square root, you can separate them and then multiply the square roots of them individually. So this is the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Over 2. So this is negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2, root 2 over 2. Now, the last step is to divide both of these terms by 2. So we have negative 4 over 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 over 2. And this is equal to negative 4 over 2 is equal to negative 2. And then these 2's cancel and we're left with plus or minus the square root of 2. So what are the solutions to 3x squared plus 12x plus 6? Negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2, which is equal to a. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.